Last video, I mentioned Hong Kong market will have some big opportunity coming. So today I will give you the insight from the chart. Can we buy right now or should we wait for more? Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. If you like this kind of video, welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to learn more and make more. Okay, so now we look at Hang Seng Index. Why I say this have a big opportunity? The first thing is, if we look, this market basically is down from 2018. This is a weekly chart from here, okay? The index was 33,000, and all the way down to 2022 to about 14,000, okay? So basically, it's a long downward trend. And then what happened is they're creating a double bottom here. And you can see recently we are forming another pattern to confirm this is an upward pattern. What is that? We have a higher high and higher low. So basically, it's a very big chance that we already done with the downward trend. Now it's the beginning of the bull market. But one thing I want to confess with you, basically, even upward trend, even the bull market, they have two types. One is one side all the way go up like this way, boom, 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 all the way go up. The other format is like this way, boom, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so what kind of format would they form this time? So I would like to tell you also more about that in this video, and I will cover also S&P 500 and also some tips for the Tesla. Okay, so and also this 2-month hour trading strategy. So first thing, we already say Hong Kong market have a great opportunity because it is close to the bottom. The risk is low and the reward is big. Let's say I'm not expecting, to be honest, I'm not expecting they will go to the previous peak. If we are lucky, we will, okay? Or if even they go up to 31,000 and you are right now is 20,000, you still have 50% to go. So it's quite a good profit for this market, okay? First thing we need to identify is which market is good market. And then we buy the sector, we buy the individual stock. So first thing, we confirm the Hong Kong market will be good. Risk reward level is good. The PE is very low right now. Another thing, if you want to check, you can also check the RSI, okay? RSI, but if we check the RSI here, RSI monthly chart, you see, we are right now 55. How about S&P 500? So S&P 500 is over 70, it's 73. So is it overbought? Yes, it's overbought. Is it possible to go higher? Yes, there's an opportunity to go higher because they just break through the upward trend. But the thing is, it's already overbought. How far can they go? Okay, how far can they go? So the risk is high. The risk is high. So if we look at so I will tell you, S&P 500, they still have way to go up, but will be quite fluctuating. You need to be very careful. You need to be very careful because we are in the overbought zone. Although they will go higher, you can see they will go higher, but we're already in the overbought zone. If we use our indicator called YM overbought oversold, you can see this yellow candle, this yellow candle, this yellow candle. When they happen to have this yellow candle, this is overbought. Once they disappear, they drop down. Not yet disappear, they're still going up, but we don't know when to go down yet, right? I would say this 2 months is still very safe. Not November, December is very safe because it's about the election period, so it's safe. But remember, our interest rate go down. People thought the stock market will go up. I would say 50% correct. For the short term, yes. For the long term, it's not. Because usually the interest rate, why interest rates suddenly go down? Because the economy is not doing well. So imagine those stock performance. Why those big tech company, the CEO actually they are selling the stock from 2024, some even from 2023 start to sell the stock. Okay, so I want you to realize the fact. This is the fact. I told you many times. Some big tech company, they are selling their own company stock. Okay, so this is S&P 500. Back to the Hang Seng Index. We go back to the, do we have any opportunity? Okay, if you don't have any Hong Kong stock, if you cannot invest in the Hong Kong stock market, you can check any Chinese company listing in US market. Okay, so those at least you can invest in something or ETF, okay? Okay, so now we're back to the point. We check the something exciting here. Our last, basically you will hear that basically the Chinese stock, they go up from this candle, okay? They go up and they go all the way 16 trading days, they go up by 37%. This is the index. Imagine some stock even go more, okay? This is crazy for index. 16 days, 37%. What is mean is this market, many fund coming in, and is it really strong market at this point? Yes, I will tell you how to read, how to buy at this point, because for the next opportunity, I want you to learn, okay? So how about here? How about here? Basically, I sold my stock around this day. I make quite good profit. So what happened is, this few days, they have a pullback and they reach 0.5 Fibonacci golden ratio. 0.5 is the line to tell strength of the market. So above 0.5, if they come this area and go up, this is a very strong market. If they go to 0.5 and then they rebound, this is average market. If I tell you, if this go below this one, basically this is a weak rebounds. Okay, weak market. So this line is very important, 0.5. Another thing I want you to check is this purple zone. This purple zone is a gap. Gaps serve as a resistance or support. So now we are above this. They serve as a support. So basically you can see these three candles, they come into this area as a support and they go up again. Now, do we have any confirmation? Let's say you don't know the golden ratio, you don't know the gap, you don't know this kind of pattern things. So let's say you have my indicator. How my indicator help you to make your decision making much faster? So let me hide these two things. So what I do is I open my indicator called YM Club Fast, YM Club Long. Blue line is very important to tell us the trend. So the trend is still going upward. The red line is the fast track line. It's the fast trend. When the red going down, blue going up, this tell you this is a pullback. This is a pullback. Okay, if both line going down, this is a confirm, this is a downward trend. If both line go up, it's confirmed this is an upward trend, even for middle term or short term. So right now we are in between, and blue serve perfectly as a support. And even today, they down by 1.57%. We just between both, and they just lie on exactly, they stop on the blue line, okay? Is it a buy point right now? I will tell you right now. Three things we need to look: the trend, the fund movement, and then to see the buy sell point, okay? First, the trend is going upward. Now we are having a pullback, okay? The fund, we have YM chippers. The red is institution. The red, how's the red going? The red is not above this purple line, so it's still not strong. The fund from institution is not strong because not yet above this purple. We need to go above. Second, YM big buy is the indicator to tell you the net sales or net buy for big volume trade. So what happened is basically from last Friday, we have one big candle, 3.2 6%, right? Many people buy in. Why? Because they know the Fibonacci level and they know the gap area, so they buy in. You can see here, they buy in here, right? But is it strong enough? If you have my indicator, basically you want to invest safe. You don't want to take risk. So you want to take limited risk. So first, we know the trend. Second, do we have any buy signal? Look at here. If you're very safe, look at YM cheapest. We follow the institution. We don't have buy signal yet. Second, if you are more aggressive investor or trader, you can look at YM big buy. We flash a green candle. So even the green go above the purple line, you may start to add your position a little bit. Is it strong? Not strong, the market. The fund is not strong. Why? Because it's below zero. Below zero. We are below zero, below this blue line. So it's not strong funding. Right now, at this point, we need strong funding to push this price to go above, to create this kind of wave. Okay, so it's not yet strong. The second thing, do we have any buy-sell point? After we say the fund is not strong, but we see some short-term trade opportunity here, okay? So if you're a very short-term trader, you may add a little bit, okay? Not a lot because it's not strong here. Do we have any buy-sell point? We have actually, the blue line is a support. The blue line is a support. If you're a very aggressive investor, you may buy with this green candle together with this green candle with the blue line. But if you're a very safe investor, you will wait for the fund signal. Why? Because we want to have a big wave to go up instead of a small rebound. Okay, so if one candle go above both line blue and red, this is a very strong signal to tell you, hey, you may buy now. Okay, this is Hang Seng Index. Is it easy for you to make a decision with my indicator? If yes, click like and subscribe this channel. I hope to help you to make faster decision. Okay, next thing I will check is Tesla. Tesla is something I would say in super long term, they have a big opportunity. Okay, so if we check the blue line, so here I tell you to sell, to reward, to sell. We buy around here, right? For very if you are very aggressive investor, you can buy here with the red line, the fast track line. For the safe one, you buy around the blue line and you sell when they drop below the blue line. You can still make a profit from 241 and you bought around 219. You use the blue line as a stop gain price. Okay, so far we see the blue line is tilting downward. Okay, we're still waiting for the next signal. You can see the fund movement is also getting weak. The institution holding is reducing, but we have short-term big volume trader come in here. Okay, but still the stock is strong. If you look, they go above the red, but we need the red to change the direction. It's not yet there, not yet there. So we need to wait. We need to wait this moment, okay? So this is the update for Tesla. I hope you like this video. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. If you want to check more stock, you can also make a comment below. And I hope it's the big stock. It's not something very small stock or small volume because I don't want to promote any stock here, okay? So I see you in the next video. Goodbye.